Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit cash in your Coinbase account. So first, you will need to navigate directly to your Coinbase account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in on your home page, look for My Asset button, and it's usually located at the bottom of your screen, so give that a click. On the next screen, you will see an option to add cash. That's exactly what we need, so go ahead and select it. And now it's time for you to decide how much cash you want to deposit. So simply put the amount into the field provide, and you will also need to choose your accounts from which you're adding the cash. So if you haven't linked an account yet, don't worry, just click add payment method to link your bank account or your debit card. And you're almost there. So after selecting your account and entering the amount, click preview to review your transaction detail. And finally, on the subsequent page, all you have to do is add cash now to complete your deposit. And just like that, your cash is on its way to your Coinbase account. So it is that easy to fund your crypto journey, and happy investing. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.